What are the benefits of Apocalypse using a quantitative trading robot? Data aggregation, intelligent analysis. Data aggregation through the data rollback function, which is a very important function in contract trading. Contract trading robot can buy at the lowest price, sell at the highest price. With the development of blockchain digital currencies, it is definitely icing on the cake for those in the investment market to have a set of AI quantitative trading software to help them trade. In quantitative trading, it is also very important for the trader to maintain a normal state of mind. A good state of mind can ensure that there are no mistakes or few mistakes. By using quantitative trading bots, data errors can definitely be avoided in the face of big data aggregation analysis. It doesn't lose money investing because of emotions.